Whatever. Everyone, it's Missy here. Thanks so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my Partners in Cream update number 3. This is the quarterly refresh. Last month, I misspoke. It was not. It's all good. I have some things to share with you. Before we get started, on my lips today, I have Ashton from ColourPop. This is from their So Taupe collection, and then this color from Rare Beauty. Just in case you guys were wondering, I'm living my cool tone fantasy. I have I Heart This. I'll just show you everything. I Heart This. This is in my A to Z Project Pan from ColourPop. And then my Outer Quartz, which was also, but I've hit pan, so I've moved this out. This is beautiful. This is what I have kind of in my transition. And then the I Heart This all over the lid. Got a little bit of a highlighter in the inner corner. I'm feeling good. So, okay. So for this project, it was created by Steph Lyons and Rollin, Steph Lyons has her own channel called Steph Lyons, and then Rollin is Outward Processing here on the YouTubes. I think I say that every video. I'm gonna go with it. You will find all the information linked down below. I think Rollin said in her last update, or this past update, there's like 160 people doing this project, which is so crazy and cool. And if you click the hashtag that's in the title, it'll take you to everybody that's participating, or there will be a link in the comments down below, link in the description box down below with a link to this. I think there's a spreadsheet or a Google Doc or something. So anyway, in the last video, I brought in 2 new items and I took out the Laura Mercier caviar stick. This update, I'm taking out I'm refreshing for sure. So let's start there. So let's start with what I finished. So in the last update, I brought in this bag of 20 samples from just about everywhere. I just used the Sephora bag. If you want to see which ones I used up, you can go back to the last video where I went through each of them. The only one I did not use to completion was this. This was the Ceramidin cream from Dr. Jart. This burned. It burned and it burned. So I only wore it one time, so I didn't finish that. But I finished something extra that wasn't in this bag. Maybe it was, I don't remember. I finished something extra, but now I can't remember what it was. So anyway, I did finish 20 samples. So these are all done, ready to go in my empties. I'm so excited. Yay. Okay. The other thing I brought in last update was this from Clinique. This is the, it's like a lip gloss. It's like the Moisture Surge lip treatment. This is awful. This started its life at 9 grams. It is now at 7. I use this every night before I go to bed. Yeah, so we're about right here. I use this every night before I go to bed. And I put this in place of the Laneige sleeping mask. And that was a huge mistake because this is awful. If you love it, I mean, we're all going to like and dislike products because all of our skins, etc., preferences, etc., are all different. So if this is your favorite product, I mean, no offense, but this is awful. This is like, it's like petroleum jelly. Like, it's like a mix between the thick Vaseline that comes in the tub and a Vaseline lip gloss. So it's very, I don't know. It's just awful. I'm going to finish it because I'm in it to win it. And plus, I'm just about done with it. But I would never. I bought a little, like, mini set of the Laneige sleeping mask, and it came with a couple of other things. I love that thing. The hype is real. The mini is probably going to last me 6 months. So, yeah. So, this is staying in, but it's not my favorite. So let's talk about the product that's been in here. Oh, let me talk about my refresh. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm sorry. This video is all over the place. Okay, let's talk about what I'm getting rid of. So I have about 8 of these little Tarte glosses in this project, and I've decided to take them out. Number one, it's taking me forever to use them. And number two, I've moved a few of them over to a different project that will go live on the 15th. So yeah, I took them out of this and I'm going to be bringing some other stuff in. Okay, we're back on track. Let's talk about the thing that is going to be in here for long haul. And this is my e.l.f. shimmer palette. And as you can see, I finished this one completely, and I've hit pan in this one, and I feel like I'm gonna hit pan in this one pretty soon. So the last time this was weighed in like at 65, it's still 65, which is so funny because I've used up so much. I did try to clean it up a little bit for you, but it's not working out very well. But I love this. I mentioned in the last video, I really love this. It's what I've got on my cheeks under a powder highlight today. It's really, really pretty. It's really creamy. And I think at the time it was like $5 or $6. So I'm totally getting my money's worth out of it. Unfortunately, they don't make it anymore. But now there's so many beautiful cream highlighters out there. You don't need this little shimmer brick from e.l.f. So Miss A, Shop Miss A has beautiful, beautiful highlighters that are $1, $1.50. So yeah, so this is in it for the long haul. So I am bringing in 4 new products. Yeah. Okay, let's start with one that should be done next month, and that is this. This is the Marshmallow Primer from NYX. This is the one that went viral that everybody has bought, the huge one. I actually got this in an Ulta order, and it's just the mini of the primer. So this is starting out at $15. I've only used this once. I can't tell you that I loved it or I hated it because I used it under a new foundation. So it'll be cool to use it under my Project Pan foundation to see if it's, you know, if it works, etc. So this started its life at 15 grams. My goal is to finish this. I think I'll be able to finish this by next update, but we'll see. How much of this is an air bubble? Don't squirt it everywhere, Misty. Yeah, so I'm probably about right here. The rest of this seems like it's an air bubble. So hopefully this will go by the next update. If not, that's cool, but I'm gonna guess that maybe it will. The other thing that should go by next update is this. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean. This is another sample. I finished one in that sample. This is deluxe sample. That was just like on the sample card. I love this. I love it so much. I bought 2 big ones when they had their after payday sale of 25% off. It's so good. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm. This is so good. I tried a Clinique Moisture Surge. No, Clinique Take the Day Off. And that was all right, but I really prefer this better. And I already love their Honeymoon Glow, like their exfoliating serum. So I really love this, but I have a feeling this will be gone pretty quick. What I love about this is number one, you don't need a lot of it. And from what I remember, maybe I'm just remembering incorrectly, I'm pretty sure this took off everything, including eyeliner and my waterproof makeup, because I wear waterproof mascara, what's the word I'm looking for? Exclusively. So yeah, so that is product number 2. Product number 3 you saw in the intro. This is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. I need a new setting mist. I couldn't remember if this, I don't think this is sparkly. But I was going to decant this into another bottle because it was just coming straight out. But I guess whatever, it was clogged or whatever. Let me go ahead and mark this while I'm thinking of it. This is basically brand new. I've used it probably 2 or 3 times. Plus trying to get it fixed today. I probably sprayed it 10 times trying to get it fixed today. But we're basically starting brand new. My goal is going to be to finish this, so this will be around for a little while. And then the last product is this. This is the Ole Henriksen True Sea Brightening. Oh my gosh. Why does this name have to be so long? Ole Henriksen Truth Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. I bought this on Black Friday when they had their, they had some kits on sale. You guys, this is going to be hard. Oops. If you've never seen it, this is what it looks like. It looks like and it smells like a push pop. Oh my god, it smells like a push pop. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I think they used to just be, I'm dating myself. They used to be like in a white tube with like polka dots all over it, and then they moved to like a Flintstone packaging, and I don't even know if they make them anymore. But basically it was frozen and you pushed, it's like sherbet in a tube, and you pushed it up. That's why it's called a push pop. And then you ate it and it was orange and it was delicious. And that's exactly what this smells like. Oh my god, it smells so good. And I'm not even fasting and this smells real good. So yeah, so anyway, this is starting at, where did I get it? This is starting at 87 grams. My goal is going to be to finish this. I don't think it'll go real quickly. I don't want it to go real quickly. And hopefully my skin doesn't have an adverse reaction. And hopefully it, so you can see it's kind of creamy. And then it just blends right in. Oh my god, it smells like a push pop. Or orange sherbet. It smells so good. I don't want to rush through this product, and hopefully my skin doesn't have any issues with it. I mean, I've put it on my hand twice, but that doesn't mean my face will like it. Oh, it smells so good. I was using the e.l.f. Super Hydrate. I've already filmed the intro for the project it was going in, and I used it once or twice just to see if I liked it, and I don't. My skin doesn't like it. I don't like it. So unfortunately that one is a bust, but hopefully this one won't be. Number one, because it was so flippin' expensive, and number two, that one was also a gel, like a gel, but that was like a gel. That was like putting not Play-Doh, Misty, Jello on your face. If you've ever used the Bear With Me primer from NYX, that's in the pot, that's the kind of jelly formula. It's kind of the same, except for the one from e.l.f. is a bit more sticky and tacky. It's also very, very drying. So I don't know where they got Super Hydrated from. Maybe it's Super Hydrated for oily skin. But yeah, so anyway, that's it. So we have the e.l.f. Shimmer Brick. My goal is going to be to finish this one and maybe hit pan in the next one. We have this, which my goal for this is just to use it. I'm going to use it until it's gone, so this is going to be in here for a while. The other one that'll be in here for a while is this one from Pretty Fresh. Oh, this smells, doesn't this smell like citrus too, or does it smell like coconut? Coconut. Tropicals. Is it tropical? Hawaiian Tropic, that's what I'm trying to think of. So this will be in here for the long haul. And then the two I will hopefully have, the three that I will hopefully have finished up next month is this one from Clinique, this one from NYX, and this one from Pharmacy. So yeah, so hopefully next month we'll have 3 more roll-ins, but that's it. Sorry that this video was kind of all over the place. It's been a hot minute since I filmed. And my brain has just been a jumbly. Oh, I forgot. And I finished these. So yeah. Okay. We got it, Misty. We got it. Yeah, we got it. Oh my gosh, my brain. Oh, anyway, thanks so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you. This has gone up a little late. I was hoping I could film it last week, but I just didn't feel well and it didn't get done. So it's up a little late, but that's all right. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you. I hope you have a fantastic week, and I'll see you back here on Thursday for another video. Bye for now.